Democritus, Greek philosopher, proposes the existence of the atom. He called them atomos, which is Greek for indivisible. He thought matter is like motion, it cannot be divided in half forever. His theory. Atoms are small hard particles made of a single material that's formed into different shapes and sizes. They are always moving. They form different materials by joining together. John Dalton, British chemist. Elements combine in specific proportion to form compounds. He believes that atoms are seen as solid, indestructible spheres. He called it the solid sphere model or clay ball model. His theory. Atoms are rearranged in chemical reaction. Atoms of the same elements are exactly alike, and atoms of different elements are different in mass and size.
J. Thomson, English chemist and physicist, discovered first subatomic particles. He proposed that the atom was a sphere of positively charged material. Thomson's cathode ray experiment. A specialized vacuum tube in which images are produced when an electron beam strikes a phosphorescent surface. His theory. Atoms contain negatively charged particles called electrons and positively charged matter. Referred to it as the plum pudding model. Ernest Rutherford, New Zealand physicist, discovered the nucleus. Devised an experiment to investigate the structure of positive and negative charges in the atom. He proposes the nuclear model. His theory. Small, dense, positively charged particle present in nucleus called a proton. Electrons travel around the nucleus, but their exact places cannot be described.
Niels Bohr, Danish physicist, discovered energy levels. Bohr proposed his quantized shell model of the atom to explain how electrons can have stable orbits around the nucleus. Bohr proposed that electrons move in paths and certain distances around the nucleus. He named it the Bohr model of the atom. His theory. Electrons travel around the nucleus in definite paths and fixed distances. How a theory may change as new evidence is found. Erwin Schrödinger. Austrian physicist developed the electron cloud model. He developed the probability function for the hydrogen atom. He proposed the Erwin-Schrödinger's model or the electron cloud model. His theory. The exact path of electrons cannot be predicted. The region referred to as the electron cloud is an area where electrons can likely be found.
James Chadwick. English physicists discovered neutrons. Chadwick used scattering data to calculate the mass of this neutral particle. His theory. Neutrons have no electrical charge. Neutrons have a mass nearly equal to the mass of a proton. Unit of measurement for subatomic particles is the atomic mass unit.
Modern theory of atom. Electrons travel in regions called electron clouds.
You cannot predict exactly where an electron will be found.
Atoms are composed of three main subatomic particles, the electron, proton, and neutron.
Most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus of the atom.
The protons and neutrons are located within the nucleus, while the electrons exist outside of the nucleus.
In stable atoms, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons.
The type of atom is determined by the number of protons it has.
The number of protons in an atom is equal to the atomic number.
The sum of the number of protons and neutrons in a particular atom is called the atomic mass.